With SheetCAM version 8, users have 3 new powerful tools to strengthen their CNC fabrication. The new Rotary plasma function allows users to project 2D contours on profiles, like rectangular pipe, C-channel, and L-shaped steel, enabling complex cuts and accurate geometry transfer. The new 2D CAD design feature is an advanced, but easy-to-use 2D CAD application for creating or editing 2D drawings. You can either import an existing design or create a totally new drawing, streamlining your workflow and increasing your productivity. SheetCAM's new automatic nesting feature allows you to find the optimal placement when tiling up parts, no matter their shapes, sizes, or quantities. It not only saves time, but also materials by taking advantage of the spaces that can get overlooked between larger parts. When using automatic nesting, SheetCAM will generate 5 nesting variants at a time, using sophisticated algorithms that fit parts using different angles. These are beneficial for asymmetric and non-rectangular parts, and parts where orientation is limited, such as working with wood grain. With SheetCAM version 8, explore cutting-edge methods and even more advanced tools designed to transform your manufacturing process.